Hi there and welcome to the latest update for Scotland from the Met Office. A significant change in the weather takes place during the next few days for Scotland, although in terms of disruptive winter weather, for most, that's not going to happen until the end of the weekend, or at least the start of next week. A cold front introduces the change as that brings a short-lived spell of heavy rain and gusty winds overnight. By dawn, it's out of the way, the winds are changing direction. The winds will be blustery enough overnight to prevent widespread air frost away from the peaks, but it's going to be feeling cold in the wind first thing. Those winds will also be bringing frequent showers. Mostly at lower levels, I expect it'll be rain and hail, perhaps some sleet. But over the hills, above a few hundred metres, you can expect some sleet and wet snow falling through in these showers. And they'll be coming in frequently, and they'll be heavy when they arrive. The most frequent showers will affect the north and the west, given the wind direction. Better chance of some drier and brighter interludes towards the east and the south, but nowhere will be immune from these passing showers. Any significant lying snow not expected through Saturday. These showers will be fleeting and mostly wintry stuff will be confined to the hills, but it will feel cold in the wind. It's going to be a gusty wind with gales overnight, potentially disrupting ferries for Shetland, for example. And those gales only slowly moderating through the day on Saturday. So given the strength of the winds and the wind direction, you can knock off a few degrees in terms of the air temperature for how it will feel in that wind. The showers continue on Saturday night, perhaps falling more widely across northern Scotland as sleet and wet snow down to relatively modest levels, but they'll still be coming through fairly frequently and with some gaps in between the showers and road surfaces not particularly cold at the moment. I don't see these showers as being particularly disruptive. Clear spells away from the showers and a colder night, a colder start to the day on Sunday for many. But it's another day of bright spells and frequent showers. That is until the afternoon, when a spell of more prolonged rain moves in from the Atlantic. This contains slightly milder air, so any snow out of this largely confined to the hills of the southern uplands and the highlands, and there's some uncertainty about the exact latitude that this will track. But it's later Sunday that we're likely to see a spell of more significant rain and some hill snow across central and southern Scotland. The far north stays in the cold, northerly and showery regime throughout Sunday, and temperatures at best of 3 to 5 Celsius. It is going to feel cold and unpleasant where we've got the persistent rain arriving as well. That front moves through, and then northern Scotland could see some significant snow accumulations on Sunday night, especially over the hills, but not exclusively over the hills. Then by Monday, another system moves in later in the day, again bringing some milder air to many parts of the UK and some outbreaks of rain. But as that bumps into the cold air, there is the risk later Monday and into Tuesday of substantial hill snow for Scotland, and the risk above 300 metres of 15 to 20 centimetres of snow, above 400 metres of 20 centimetres or more of snow building up, and so that could cause significant disruption. Mostly we're thinking hill snow would be the cause of disruption, but depending on the track of this low, we could see some snow to lower levels as well, something to keep a close eye on over the next few days. The far north stays showery, with those showers continuing to build up snow in many places, especially again over the hills. So as we go through the next few days, certainly this is a forecast you want to stay tuned to, and you can find all the updates on our YouTube channels, and of course you can stay up to date with the weather warnings on the app and website. Bye bye.